Nicoholics are individuals who become dependent on self-uncertainty and cynicism. They track down the awful in most things, and are scarcely at any point fulfilled at the point when you begin loving an individual. Just since they like you is a mental peculiarity. Known as equal loving love is a medication, and it is as compelling as cocaine. Startling texts from an individual you give it a second thought about can emphatically affect your body, and in a flash work on your mindset. Grinning a lot of is by and large an indication of somebody encountering profound torment. Not talking with the one you love for beyond what 48 hours can cause you to feel achy. Go home close to home agony is recalled more than actual torment, and meaningfully affects your way of behaving. Brain science says the wedding band continues the left ring finger, since it's the just finger with a vein that interfaces with the hard unfamiliar continuously to you with no correspondence. It implies they additionally thinks considering affection and sex impacts imagination and substantial reasoning separately at the point when your mindset goes from glad to miserable more often than not. This is on the grounds that you're missing somebody. Act cheerful, and others will need to be with you. Individuals love blissful individuals, since they need to be content themselves. Disaster after genuine affection is similarly agonizing as actual torment during REM. Rest, your body becomes deadened to ensure you don't carry on your fantasies at the point when you have no control over what's going on. Challenge yourself to control the way you answer what's going on. That is where your power is. Never share your highly confidential frailties, or then again shortcoming to others, regardless of how well you know one another. Certain individuals are really terrified of being too cheerful on the grounds that they think something unfortunate will happen soon. This is known as cherophobia. You truly love him, her, don't you? It's a mental inquiry. People generally prefer an attractive face over an attractive body when they are looking for a long-term relationship. Don't be unforgiving or comparing yourself to others is the root assuming cause that for you feelings of unhappiness, say sorry, self-blame and fail to remember. Psychologically, it is impossible to be just friend with someone you have fallen in love with one another. Attempting over the dumbest of things that you don't care about someone, the one is a clear indicator that you really do actually love. His three feelings in one: affection, lust, and attraction. Intelligent people are more likely to avoid conflict, which explains why some people notice everything but choose to say nothing. When women talk to their partners in person, they usually feel loved, whereas men feel